Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to design Instagram post using GetStencil. Here's a step-by-step guide for designing Instagram post with Stencil. First, log in and start a new design. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, you can create a new design and choose the Instagram post format. Click on Default here and select Instagram. On the left sidebar, click on Templates to explore pre-made design tailored for Instagram. Browse through template or use the search bar to find one that matches your theme. Click on Template to open it on the editor. You can also change the background from here. Go to Photos and choose any background from here. You can adjust the opacity or filter setting if using an image to ensure your text and icon stand out. Click on the Text tab here to add heading, subheading, or body text. Enter your message such as quote, promotion, or call to action and position it within the design. Customize the font style, color, size, and alignment to ensure readability and visual appeal. You can also add icons and graphics. Go to Icons tab to find decorative icons or symbols relevant to your post. Click on icon to add it, then position, resize, and customize its color to complement your design. Keep your icon usage balanced to avoid overcrowding. Add finishing touches by applying effects like shadows or blur to certain elements for depth. Review your design to ensure all elements are aligned, spaced well, and convey your message effectively. Once you are happy with the design, click on Save and then download to export the image in format optimized for Instagram. You are now ready to upload and share your post on Instagram. Following these steps will help you create eye-catching Instagram posts with ease on GetStencil. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.